In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a folder in Basecamp. Basecamp is a fantastic tool for project management, offering a simple and effective way to keep your files and tasks organized. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping track of your own projects, knowing how to create folders is essential for maintaining order and efficiency. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Basecamp's website at basecamp.com. Once you're there, make sure to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This initial step is crucial because it ensures you have access to your projects and all the features Basecamp offers. Next, once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the project where you want to create a new folder. Click on the project name to open it. This will take you to the project's main dashboard, where you can see all the activities and tools available for that specific project. Now that you're in the project's dashboard, look for the Docs and Files section. This is where Basecamp stores all the documents and files related to your project. Click on Docs and Files to open it. This area acts as the central hub for all your project files, making it easy to find and organize documents. Once you're inside the Docs and Files section, the next step is to create a new folder. Look for the New button, typically located at the top of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides different options for creating new items within your project. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Make a New Folder. Clicking this will prompt Basecamp to open a new window for creating your folder. This is your opportunity to give your folder a meaningful name that reflects its contents or purpose. Naming your folders thoughtfully can significantly improve how you and your team navigate through files later on. After you've entered a suitable title for your folder, look for the Save button and click it. This action will save your newly created folder to the Docs and Files section of your project. Congratulations, you've successfully created a folder in Basecamp. To sum it up, creating folders in Basecamp is a straightforward process that starts with accessing the Basecamp website, selecting the right project, navigating to the Docs and Files section, and then using the New button to add a folder with an appropriate title. Properly organizing your files can help streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration among your team members. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your Basecamp projects neat and organized. Remember, the more organized your workspace, the easier it is to manage your projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you maintain a tidy and productive Basecamp environment.